I was just playing, and then I came across this place when I was headed to Vault 112. I found it quite interesting because it's just a fridge in the middle of nowhere. That's 8 purified waters. And I had to batter this guy for it. However, he got battered on the way, which was a shame. I swear I didn't kill him. I just didn't get there in time.
It's me, your president, John. Gotcha.
Please
$3
excuse
here.
3 dog being
How's
fun.
everyone doing?
Anyway, just another
What
video.
rhymes with
Oh,
shoes
crap.
and
Yeah,
often
what the-
gives you the blues?
Let's see what he does.
That's right. It's time for the cashews. Okay.
He
That
took
doesn't
out
rhyme.
a bottle or
How
something.
about
He
news?
took out a few. He took all the waters.
Okay, children. I've got the skinny on the Capital Wasteland's newest, noblest dignitary. That charming cat from
What do I have to say to
101.
that?
Check this out.
No.
Children, you are going to... Okay. So I told you about
Yeah,
Jacob,
let's
the
come.
guy from the vault. And then I told you somebody else crawled
Oh,
out there too. Right. Well, guess who came to visit old
Using the
Free
waters.
Dog at his luxurious
just get a
studio
comic.
in beautiful downtown DC?
What the hell?
That's
Oh.
right.
Well, I guess that's the second
other
field
vault
video.
dweller.
Anyway,
Now,
bye bye.